Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video. My name is Lucas and today I'm going to talk about a few upcoming releases that in my opinion are very exciting. They definitely caught my eye and I'm really looking forward to the release, maybe trying to pick up a piece or two and see how they are in hand. If you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, notification bell. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video because there is a lot to talk about, honestly. First thing I'm going to talk about quickly is the Beams Arc'teryx collaboration finally seeing a release date in North America. If you're watching this on the Wednesday, it's dropping today. Honestly, if you're watching this video right now, it's probably too late. It's probably already sold out online if it's even dropped. They haven't really given too much information on the online drop. I think I read on the Arc'teryx UK Instagram that they raffled it, so I would imagine it would be a raffle system possibly in North America as well, but a few stores in North America, I know Toronto, New York, LA, and I think one of the stores in Vancouver is raffling off the jackets and the accessories, Mantis 1, Mantis 2, and the Mantis backpack. If you are interested, I'm sure you already know about this and you probably have been doing your research, keeping up with it, but it's been a long time since they first sort of teased it and said that it was coming soon. They released in Japan probably 3 to 4 weeks ago now. And yeah, it's definitely been a long time coming, so excited to see the release. And I actually have the jacket with me. Justine was lucky enough to get it sent over directly from Beams, so she's had it now for the past couple weeks. And I'll just give you guys a more detailed look of it real quick. So here is the Beams Arc'teryx beta jacket. As you can see, it's got the black, gray, brown, and white patches, one white zipper, one brown zipper. Got the Arc'teryx logo stitched on in gold, the Gore-Tex logo stitched on in gold, and then it's got the big Arc'teryx bird in gold printed on the shoulder, and then it also says Beams here on the wrist. A very beautiful jacket. I myself am quite jealous. It's a little bit too small for me, so I won't be able to wear it. She got a men's small and it fits her quite well. So yeah, Beams Arc'teryx beta jacket releasing today. If you're watching this video on the Wednesday, September 14th, I think it is. If not, sorry. A couple other very cool releases taking place this week. First up, on Thursday, we have Nike, ACG, and Supreme collaboration. I talked about the fleece in one of my videos a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month now, and it's finally releasing. We got the fleece, the balaclava hoodie fleece, whatever you want to call it, releasing in 3 colorways: black, like a brown, and a gray kind of snake skin material looking kind of thing. I like the black one, but the other 2 colors are a little bit too much for me. If I was going to go for one, I would definitely go for the black. At first, when I first saw the leaked image, I said I was going to try and get the black one, and even up till this morning I was like, oh, I want to try and get the black fleece. I think it's very cool. Again, you can go get the vintage ACG ones on Grail, eBay, Depop, but they're quite pricey. The only thing that would be quite awkward is wearing it without the hood, just because the hole for your head is very small. It's pretty much just for the size of your eyes, so I don't know how that would really go. You are meant to wear it with the hood up like at all times, which would be kind of awkward, like I said. So as of right now, I'm going to pass on this. I'm not too sure the price is. You can definitely check Instagram. I think they should have the price list up relatively soon. We're also seeing denim pants, not quite jeans, more like a hiking pant, but denim material. We got a light blue wash. We got another brown snake skin print, and then an all black one. These are cool, but I just, again, wouldn't go for these. I don't think I'd wear them too much, but they are very cool. And then they also have a anorak hoodie, pullover jacket type thing, and those 3 colorways as well. And then we have got some dry fit, long sleeve, kind of jersey type things. A black one, a blue and orange, and then a neon yellow and pink. Very bright, very loud colors. I do like the black one. I think it's very clean. I love the centralized ACG logo, not any really Supreme branding except for on the neck. I think this is very clean. It'd be a great base layer if you are a hiker or a skier, or you could again just wear it casually, of course. I think these are very cool. Personally, won't be going for those either. And then we do have some Nike ACG trail shorts, which ACG does their own trail shorts all the time. Justine actually has a pair of just the regular Nike ACG ones. And if you want to go down that route, you definitely could. You don't need the Supreme banding. The ACG ones probably are a fraction of the price that the Supreme ones would be. And then for the shorts, they are the black, the gold snakeskin and then like a green snakeskin print. So again, cool. The snakeskin prints are a little bit too loud for me. The black ones are cool, but I'm not gonna fork over the money for it just because it's a Supreme collab. So again, pass for myself. And then of course they do have baseball hats in the denim black and the gold snakeskin color. And then there's a couple ACG t-shirts that are nothing too crazy, honestly, but in my opinion, I know some people are kind of underwhelmed. I think this collab was done pretty well. You got the loud Supreme colors with the snakeskin prints, and they stuck to the ACG routes with just the black colorways. And I think overall, pretty good collab. For me, it's a pass though. So like I said, up until Tuesday morning, I was gonna go for the black fleece, the ACG Supreme one, until the Palace and Engineered Garments collab was officially previewed, the pieces were shown, and this collab came out of left field. I did not see it coming at all. Came out of nowhere for me, but I think they capitalized extremely well. Palace and Engineered Garments, two brands that I do quite enjoy a lot, and they killed this collab in my opinion. They got the typical Engineered Garments pieces with the pants, the jacket, the fleece, the hoodies, and Palace give a little twist on that. And they didn't go too loud, they didn't go too crazy on the colorways. Kept it nice and clean, nice and muted, nice and simple, which I love to see. So I'll run through some of the pieces quickly and give you my opinions. This collection is launching in-store and online on Palace on Friday. I believe Nepenthez stores as well on Friday, I'm assuming, not 100% sure. But the first piece is this Gore-Tex parka looking jacket in the green with the patchwork. They got two shades of green on it. I love Engineered Garments patches they do, are always immaculate. And then Palace adds a little twist on it, and it is Gore-Tex, which is a plus in my opinion. I really do like this jacket a lot. And then they have pants as well, very similar to the Engineered Garments FA pants, but these ones again, Gore-Tex. They got the green patches all over it. They got the little cinches on the bottom if you want to cinch them up. I know what the FA pants are known for, really. The pockets all over. Personally, I will be trying to get these green pants. I think they're beautiful. Not too sure on the price point. I think they'll be a little bit higher, seeing if they are Gore-Tex, and the Engineered Garments name usually carries a bit of a higher price point. So depending on the price, I would love to get the green pants. They also come in a black, and that parka jacket comes in a black as well. Another standout piece for me, which Engineered Garments does extremely well, is their utility vests with the pockets. And again, they have the green patchwork colorway and an all black vest. Gore-Tex Infinium it looks like on the vest, so not completely waterproof, but very, very close to waterproof, windproof, all that good stuff. These vests are very nice. Justine has an Engineered Garments vest and it's amazing. And then probably my favorite jacket is this leopard print and like the camel colorway. I'm not really too sure how to describe it. It's just a beautiful looking jacket. We got the two front big pockets on it, a couple more smaller pockets, a little bit higher up on the jacket, and again, just a beautiful, I love the color. I love the kind of muted leopard print mixed with the camel green brown. I think it's just beautiful. And it also comes in a black colorway as well. And then we got like track pant looking bottoms in the same colorway as well with the black, which again, amazing. They did their thing on that one for sure. And then we have a couple plaid tops. We got like a brown, green and yellow one, and then a gray and blue one. Just a classic flannel plaid top. You can't really go wrong, especially for the fall and winter. And then a couple hoodies here. Again, the green and black with the patchwork, Palace Engineered Garments on the back, zip up hoodies. The cut looks really nice. I'm guessing the materials are going to be top tier. And then just a couple t-shirts and some Gore-Tex bucket hats and some baseball hats as well. So like I said, this collection really caught me off guard. They released the teaser video on Monday, dropped the preview on Tuesday, and at first I was like, interesting, like a skate brand. And then Engineered Garments, obviously very Japanese inspired, military kind of gear, and then these two worlds just combined perfectly. And this collection is a big home run for me. They absolutely smashed it. In my opinion, definitely better than the Supreme Nike ACG collab. I know Supreme's probably a little bit annoyed that they're dropping on the same week, seeing as the Palace one, in my opinion, is a lot better. Another collab that I did not see coming, but they've been a partner together since 2014, and that is Uniqlo and Helmut Lang. Now I know they are owned by the same company, so maybe it shouldn't be too much of a surprise, but Uniqlo and Helmut Lang are coming back together on a jean capsule collection. 3 pairs of jeans, a nice dark blue wash, a black wash, and then a white wash. Obviously Helmut Lang jeans are quite well regarded in the fashion industry. I used to have a pair of Helmut Lang jeans, but I had to sell them because they're a little bit too small for me, but they're great quality. And then Uniqlo makes some really good jeans as well actually. Their selvage jeans are quite good. The Uniqlo U jeans are quite good. So I'm excited for this collaboration. I believe it's dropping September 26th. Don't quote me on that one. End of September in North America, online and in-store, I believe. So definitely looking forward to this. I'm not sure what the retail price. I've heard 70 US, 100 USD. Not 100% sure again, but definitely looking forward to this collab. I would like to see the jeans in hand, see how they fit, see how they feel, see how the material is, see how thick the denim is of these. I'm not too sure, but definitely very excited for the prospects of this collab into the future as well. Another thing that I just saw on Instagram today actually is the Jound and Tekla collaboration. Now Tekla makes home goods, specifically towels, bed sheets, duvet covers. In the past, I think last year they did a collab with Stussy. Now I know Tekla is quite expensive with the materials they use, the quality, very soft. And my friend has a couple Tekla towels that he picked up, and he said they're just amazing. Like, they're definitely worth it if you have the money to spend on towels, bed sheets. Definitely worth it. Currently, I don't own any Tekla pieces. I would love to pick some up in the future. But going back to the Jound collaboration, he posted a picture on Instagram. Now, to me, it's just a bit weird, a bit goofy to have your duvet cover and it just says Jound on it on the corner. It's a bit weird and tacky. I don't know why, but personally, I would never do that. I know Jound did the throw blankets. I think like the wool throw blankets, which are cool because it's just a throw blanket you can put on your couch, on the chair, whatever. But the duvet cover, personally, I'm not really with it. Saying Jound on it, it's just a bit weird for me, honestly. And one more thing I'm going to talk about real quick. Obviously, I'm a big football fan, and coming up very soon, actually a couple months away, is the World Cup. And a couple of weeks ago, Adidas dropped their home shirts for the World Cup. And honestly, Adidas, like, they've been on fire lately, especially in the football world, for the national teams. The best ones, in my opinion, the Argentina, the Germany, and the Japan ones. Now, the Japan ones are my favorite. The long sleeve, the blue colorway is just incredible. It's beautiful. I love it. I would love to pick one up. I got a Japan one from the 2018 World Cup just because, again, it was amazing. So I might have to grab one of these ones from the World Cup. I might just wait till the World Cup's over and hopefully try to grab it on sale. The Germany one as well, I love the stripe down the middle with the centralized Adidas logo, centralized Germany football logo. It is just, it's beautiful, it's amazing. And with the name set on the back and the number, it looks even better in my opinion. I've seen some pictures of the players wearing them and it's beautiful. I might have to grab this one as well. Again, the Argentina one, just the classic with the blue stripes, but then their away shirt, the purple one, definitely caught me off guard. I didn't see a purple Argentina jersey coming, but it works very well. Picture with Messi in it is beautiful. I love the purple. I think it works. Like I said, it just works. And the Mexico one, again, they killed it. The home one with the green, and the away one is like the sand color, pink, whatever you want to call it. Just Adidas killed it. I haven't seen too many Nike ones, but the ones I have seen were not really doing anything for me. Unfortunately, Canada hasn't shown a new one yet. I don't think they're going to be getting a new jersey for the World Cup, which sucks. They're just going to wear the regular Nike one that they've been wearing for the past however many years. It does kind of suck for me, but whatever. I'll probably grab the Germany one, maybe the Japan one. Also the Belgian one. I am part Belgian, and the sleeves with the flames, just not feeling that one. So the Belgian ones are a little bit underwhelming for me, but Germany, Japan, Mexico, Argentina, incredible. Of course, we also have Spain, which again, classic, simple, very nice as well though. So that pretty much wraps up this episode, I guess you want to call it that, I don't know, but for things that are releasing this upcoming week, a few things that have caught my eye lately, specifically the World Cup jerseys. I'm not too sure if they're available yet on the Adidas website or not, but definitely as we get closer to the World Cup, they'll 100% become available almost everywhere. And I can't wait for that. I'm very excited for the World Cup, very excited to watch a lot of football. And I can't wait. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch you on the next one.